Hey everybody, I'm Nick.
And I'm Phil with Ohio Power Tool.
Today we're going to talk about All Sport.
All Sport.
Yeah, All Sport. Yep, actually All Sport. Where do I know that name?
With an update from the 2020 Global Games. Graduated hurdles rose, but Great Britain fell. Nathan Rudder grabbed the ring and the gold for the U.S. Earlier today, Caswell Fowler executed the first perfect 10 multiple board dive.
The world of sports has evolved since All Sport. Now with B vitamins, athletes need to unlock carbohydrate energy. It's more than a thirst quencher, it's a body quencher.
Oh yeah, they were the official hosts of the 2020 Global Games last year.
The what?
Never mind. While the other guys were out pushing fancy packaging and the same old product, All Sport has been busy making the best formula for hydration. With a mix of vitamin C and electrolytes, these zero sugar packets are perfect for a workday in the field and on the go, keeping you hydrated throughout the day.
And they taste amazing. I really like the lemon lime myself and the blue ras. Compared to other competitors, they definitely win the battle for taste.
Don't take his word for it. Talk to three-time All Sport Global Games high jump and advanced curling champion, El Luna.
Without All Sport, I couldn't do the 30, the 40, or the 50-foot high jump at the Globes.
Hey, is it really an event? I have never even heard of that. And that guy's probably like 5'7". I don't actually think he could jump that high.
Hey, we're back! El Luna, what a champion.
Yes, a true extraordinary phenom in his sport.
Yes, he is. Also, don't forget about the All Sport Pops. They're perfect for when you want cold hydration on a hot day or when you're overheated on a cold day.
Or for a nice midday snack. They're just so good.
Yes, they are, Phil. Pick up All Sport packets and pops, now available at Ohio Power Tool and at ohiopowertool.com. That's it for today. Like and subscribe for more videos and upcoming products. We'll see you next time. Hey, no.
Baseball sure has changed, Junior.
Yeah, the hexagon replaced the diamond.
And can you imagine facing 3 pitches?
Emerson on base. Oh, the base ejector got him snoozing. He goes
Why did
sailing.
it all change?
All sport. Game just got too easy.